Okay. Unang-una po, to everyone, as in everyone na nasa loob po ngayon ng ballroom na to, I'm so thankful and grateful kasi I know na we're all busy, pero nakakataba ng puso na you all made time for my special day. And I couldn't be more grateful to have such a supportive management behind me. Sparkle, my GMA Network family, even the GMA creatives and bosses are here. And I'm just so thankful sa lahat ng mga co-workers ko. Ang dami niyo na nandito ngayon. And umiiyak na ako. And then super thankful lang ako kasi alam ko na ang dami niyong schedule. Yung mga AOS family ko, alam ko may AOS kayo tomorrow. Pero you all made time for me tonight. I'm so thankful. Of course, mga iba pang mga kasama ko na hair and makeup, mga stylist, sa mga nakasama ko, to the directors, alam ko po ang busy-busy nyo, pero talagang nandito kayo ngayon. So, ayun, of course, to my parents, maraming salamat kasi yung mga sinabi nila tungkol sa akin na lumaki akong mabait, magalang, bubbly, positive, sincere, dahil yan sa inyo. So, I'm blessed to have such cool and parents na talagang ginaguide ako sa lahat ng bagay. And of course, to the team behind my debut, maraming salamat kasi this was how I envisioned it and sobrang isaya ko na natupad yung dream debut ko. And of course,